kept too little. Tried to win love with broken riddles. I became quiet just to keep peace, but now I know that silence was a thief. I used